The ratio of boys to girls in a class of 45 pupils is 2 to 7. How many girls are there? So the ratio of boys to girls in a class of 45 students, so the total is 45, right? Okay, is 2 to 7. Remember that ratio works in respective order, right? So it means the first one takes the first ratio, the second mention takes the second ratio, and like that. Okay, so boys to girls, 2 to 7. So boys 2, girls 7. So for every 2 boys, you have 7 girls in the class. Okay, so now the main part of the question says we should find how many girls in the class. So how many girls do we have in the class? All right, the ratio of girls is 7. But first, we need to know the total share. All right, so how many places were the portions shared? So that would be the addition of the ratio, 2 plus 7, and that is 9. All right, so shared into 9 places, 2 for boys and 7 for girls. All right, so the fraction of the total that will give us the number of girls in the class is 7 out of 9 portions. All right, 7 out of 9. So that's for girls now. All right, so that'll be 7 out of 9 portion, and that of the total, which is 45 pupils. All right, so that'll be 7 over 9 of 45 pupils. All right, easy. So 9 goes there once, and in 45, 5, and we have 7 times 5, which is equals to what? 35. So at the end of the day, the number of girls in the class is 35. So there are 35 out of the total number. You have 35 girls in the class. So I should just leave it at 35. So the number of girls is 35. Okay, 35. How did we do that? We did the total ratio, which is 9, and then we picked the fraction of girls, which will be 7 out of 9, 7 over 9. And then 7 over 9 of the total number of students in the class will give us the number of girls. All right. Thank you. If you have any question, please do wait to drop in the comments. Bye.